Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a look that so many of you requested. I asked you guys over on my Instagram stories if you guys could let me know what other looks and new looks and color combinations you guys would want to see. I ask you once in a while when I'm kind of in a rut or I really want to do something that you really want to see, and I got so many requests for green and mustard or green and gold. So I did both of those. I incorporated some mustard, some greens, and golds. So this is the look that I came up with. I'm obsessed with how it turned out. Love it. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply some tape on the outer edge of my eye. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte Shadow Palette. I'm going to be mixing these two shadows, and now going in with my Sigma E38 Diffused Crease Brush, I'm going to start running this shadow just through my crease and bringing it higher up than I usually would, just because I want this to be the highest shadow on my crease. Now going into this dark green, and now switching over to my Sigma E25, and I'm first packing on the shadow onto my lid, stopping it right at this halfway point of my lid. And then I'm going to start bringing this up through the crease. And I'm going to bring it all the way into the inner corner. It's okay if it gets onto the lid, we are going to cut the crease. And I'm going to apply this just a little bit higher than I usually would, right on this inner part, just because I'm going to cut my crease, and I usually cut my crease on the top of my fold of my crease. So that's just going to make sure that the shadow is still visible at the top of the cut crease. I said crease way too many times. And what I'm doing is just picking up more shadow and packing that on and blending that out, and just keep going back and forth until I get the desired darkness that I want and opacity of the shadow. Now that I have the shadow laid down, I'm now going to pick up those two yellow shadows that I applied first through my crease at the tip of this E38 Diffuse Crease Brush and just start blending out the crease. And this is just going to take a little bit of time. Again, I'm just going to keep picking up the shadow and blending it out, and then applying a little bit more shadow and blending it out. To cut my crease, I'm going into the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas base in Illustrate. So I picked up this base on my Sigma F70 concealer brush, and I'm applying this at the fold of my crease. And then when I look down, I'm just going to start filling that in. I'm now picking up this Wet n Wild Shimmer Liquid Eyeshadow in Gold Deluxe, and now I'm going to start applying this liquid shadow. And then with my F70 concealer brush by Sigma, once again, I'm just going to pat it to blend the shadows in together. Now taking off the tape, and look at how beautiful and sharp that is. I love it. Now very lightly just blending out the edge, just the tiniest amount. I still want it to look sharp, but I want it to kind of lightly diffuse out. For my lower lash line, I'm first picking up the two mustard shadows on my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush and just blending that back and forth. And with my Sigma E15 flat definer brush, I'm applying the shadow really close to my lash line, all the way into this inner corner, and then I'm going to start blending it out. And I want this yellow to still peek through. You can bring it back and blend the shadow out even more with those mustard shadows to really make that mustard pop. To line my waterline, I'm going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Overdrive. I'm now going to line my waterline. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to these Ardell Foam Ink Lashes in 861, and that's the eye look done. For my lips, I'm first going into this Flower Petal Pout Lip Liner in Nude. And then over top, I'm going to the Tarte Color Splash Lipstick in Rum Punch, and that's what it looks like. And that is it. This is the completed look of my green and gold cut crease sparkly look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I'm going to mention again, I love how the look turned out. This liquid eyeshadow on my lid is to die for. So beautiful. There's so many reflex. I keep looking at myself in the mirror. There's so many reflex in it. The shade is stunning and I love it. And I have a couple of more of the Wet n Wild liquid eyeshadows, so I'm definitely going to try to incorporate them in a few other looks because they are amazing. So I also feel like the lipstick is picking up a little bit more pink on the viewfinder. I would have gone a little bit more cool toned maybe, or something a little bit more of like a warm brown instead of this mauvey shade, but I don't mind it. It's very similar to my lip shade, so I do like it, but I think I would have gone with something a little bit cooler or more of like a warm brown. Yes. So if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today along with my brush set with Sigma will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And I did use my brush set to create this look. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload, and I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!